Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thanks. So let's learn today uses of so and to. The rule number 1 is so and to is used to show the agreement. The rule number 2 is to show so and to is used to show the same feelings. And rule number 3 is so and to is used to show the positive acceptance. I have written 3 responses on the whiteboard. The first response is response from A, the second response is response from B, and the third response is response from C. So here are some examples. Follow me. I go to college.
I go to college.
So do I.
So do I.
C response is I go to college too.
I go to college too.
I am confident.
I am confident.
B response is so am I.
So am I.
And the C response is I am confident too.
I am confident too.
A response is he went outside.
He went outside.
And the B response is so did he.
So did he.
And the C response is he went outside too.
He went outside too.
I think you will feel a bit difficult to tell the sentences of B responses. I just would like to give you some clue. So you have to say so, and then you have to take the modal verbs or auxiliary verb or a helping verb and then the subject. All right, as you can see, there are some subjects. After so there is a helping verb do, and then there is a subject, that is I. The same is in the second sentence, so then helping verb am and the subject is I, and the same is in the third sentence, so and then helping verb did and the subject is he. And the third response is quite simple. You can say like I go to college, and then you need to just add to. I go to college too. I am confident too. And he went outside too. Alright, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I am responding for A, and you have to tell the responses of B and responses of C. Alright, are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's practice. I will say A, you have to say B, and you have to say C. I go to college.
So do I.
C.
I go to college too.
I am confident.
So am I. I am.
C response.
I am confident too.
He went outside.
So did he.
C response.
He went outside too.
Great. I am in the classroom.
So
Am I. C response.
I am in the classroom too.
He is outside.
So is he.
C response.
He is outside too.
I was in the college.
So
Was I. C response. I was in the college too. They are in the academy. So are they. C response. They are in the academy too. She is frustrated. So is she. C response. She is frustrated too. He is in the office. So is he. C response. He is in the office too. Now let's see helping verbs of past. Okay, I was outside yesterday. So was I. I was outside yesterday too. She was happy yesterday. So was she. She was happy yesterday too. Okay, they were on the playground at the night. So were they. They were on the playground at the night too. Okay, I was quite nervous yesterday. So was I. I was quite nervous yesterday too. Let's see the helping verbs of future. I will be there tomorrow.
So
Will I be. I will be there tomorrow too. She will be in the classroom.
So
Will she be. She will be in the classroom too. We will be learning spoken English.
So
will B. We will be learning spoken English too. Two. Great. Now let's see the responses of tenses. I wake up early. So do I. I wake up early too. Okay. He goes to the college. So does he. He goes to college too. Okay. He works in the MNC company. So does he. He works in the MNC company too. He goes for a walk in the evening. So does he. He goes for a walk in the evening. She cooks well. She cooks well. So does she. She cooks well too. Okay, I went to college yesterday. So did I. I went to college yesterday. Okay. She asked me questions. So did she. She asked me questions too. Okay. We had fun in the park. So had he. We had fun in the park too. I will go to the college tomorrow. So will I. I will go to the college tomorrow too. Okay. We will have fun in the party. So will I. We will have fun in the party too. Okay. I will get a new job for you. So will I. I will get a new for you too. Okay, they will come here. So will they. They will come here too. Ram and Mahesh will ask questions. So will they. They will ask questions too. Okay, I am learning here. So am I. I am learning here too. She is enjoying here. So is she. She is enjoying here too. They are waiting outside. So are they. They are waiting outside too. I was answering the questions. So was I. I was answering the questions too. They were speaking Spanish. They were speaking Spanish too. I will be coming to the class. So will I be. I will be coming to the class too. They will be joining the new job. So will they be. They will be joining the class too. I have taught English. So have I. I have taught English too. They have celebrated Diwali. So have they. They have celebrated Diwali too. She has learned spoken English. So has she. She has learned spoken English too. He has learnt Marathi. So has he. He has learnt Marathi too. I had waited outside. So had I. I had waited outside too. They had told me stories. So had they. They had told me stories too. I will have told a joke. So will I have. I will have told a joke too. They will have punished me. So will they have. They will have punished too. I have been traveling. So have I been. I have been traveling too. She has been cooking. So has she been. She has been cooking too. I had been waiting outside. So had I been. I had been waiting outside too. She had been telling jokes. So had she been. She had been telling jokes too. I will have been teaching English. will I have been. I will have been teaching English too. She will have been dancing on the stage. So will she have been. She will have been dancing too. They will have been buying a new car. So will they have been. They will have been buying a car too. Let's learn about passive voice sentences. I am cheated. So am I. I am cheated too. He is called. So is he. He is called too. She is answered. So is she. She is answered too. They are understood. So are they. They are understood too. They were told. So were they. They were told too. They were kicked. So were they. They were kicked too. She was told. So was she. She was told too. He was fired from the job. So was he. He was fired from the job. Okay. He will be welcome. So will he be. He will be welcome too. She will be requested. So will she be. She will be requested too. I am being asked. So am I. I am being asked too. You are being answered. So are you. You are being answered too. They were challenged. So were they. They were challenged too. He was being kicked. So was he. He was being cooked too. He was punished in the classroom. So was he. He was punished in the classroom too. I have been requested. So have I. I have been requested too. She has been answered. So has she. She has been answered too. I have been requested. So have I been. I have been requested too. I have been asked. So have I been. I have been asked too. I had been loved. So had I been. I had been loved too. She had been abused. She had been abused. She had been abused too. I will have been appointed. So will I have been. I will have been appointed too. They will have been taken to the jail. So will they have been. They will have been taken too. Okay, now let's learn about the models. I can teach you. So can I. I can teach you too. He can swim well. So can he. He can swim well too. She can cook new dishes. So can she. She can cook new dishes too. I could come late. So could I. I could come late too. I could have told a joke. So could I have. I could have told a joke too. She could pass in the exam. So could she. She could pass in the exam too. I must teach you. I must teach you too. She must resign the job. So must she. She must resign the job too. They must wait outside. So must they. They must wait outside too. I ought to learn English. So ought I too. I ought to learn English too. I should start a new business. So should I. I should start a new business too. He should make his career in teaching. So should he. He should make his career in teaching. I should attend that interview. So should I. I should attend that interview too. They should punish him. So should they. They should punish him. Okay, are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
I think we had a revision of all the tenses, to be forms and models also, and we learnt about so and to also. Okay, please watch our channel Shantinath Patil Inspiring, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please share your comments, likes and dislikes, and also please share this video to your all the friends and learn latest, newest and knowledgeable videos. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.